In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Filter in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Zoom's filters, how to preview them, and how to make your favorite filter stick for every meeting if you want. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick. First, open the Zoom app and look toward the bottom of the window for the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click it. If you're already inside a meeting, you can still access settings from the Zoom window. The key is to find that gear icon below and open the settings panel so you can adjust how your video looks. Inside settings, look for the section labeled Video and Effects. Depending on your Zoom version, this may appear as video or background and effects, but the idea is the same. This is where you control how your camera feed appears. If your settings window looks compact and you don't see a list of categories on the side, click the small arrow to expand the side options so the full menu becomes visible. Now select Video Filters. This is different from virtual backgrounds. Virtual backgrounds replace what's behind you. Video filters subtly change the look of your video feed with color tints, frames, or light touch-ups. Once you're in the video filters area, you'll see a live preview of your camera, so you can judge the effect before anyone else sees it. Choose a filter you like by clicking on it. Take a moment to look at how it affects your skin tone, lighting, and overall clarity. A gentle filter can warm up your image and reduce harsh lighting, while more stylized filters add fun seasonal or creative effects. If your space is dim, a warmer filter may help you look more natural. If you're in a professional setting, aim for something subtle that doesn't distract from your message. Scroll down below to explore the full list. Zoom often organizes filters into categories, and some of the options may be out of view until you scroll. As you browse, watch the preview and pick the one that fits your mood or meeting style. Finally, if you want Zoom to remember your choice every time, enable the setting that says Apply to all future meetings. This tells Zoom to automatically use the selected filter when you join or start meetings, so you don't have to set it up again. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same area and switch filters or turn them off. That's it. You've learned where filters live, how to choose one, and how to keep it for future meetings. Enjoy your next call with a look that suits you.